This is 3.2. So if I had 6x times 4x to the third minus 2x plus 5, to simplify this, I need to distribute, which would give me 24x to the fourth minus 12x squared plus 30. 30x. Thank you. Okay, what if it's a little bit more complicated? What if I had x plus 4 times x minus 6? How do you multiply those together? So we're going to use the box. Now, you don't actually have to use the box to accomplish this, but today I want you to use it because next time we're going to do something that does require the box. So I want you to draw a box and put x plus 4 on one side and x minus 6 on another. And then every square is just the product of the row and column that it resides in. So this one would be x times x, which is x squared, 4x, negative 6x, and negative 24. And the nice thing about the box is you're not going to skip any multiplication, and the diagonals will have common terms. So we have an x squared, and then the middle diagonal ends up being minus 2x, and then minus 24. Okay. There are a couple things I want to go over. What if I had x plus, well, let's do 4x plus 3 squared. Can I just say 16x squared plus 9? No, that doesn't work. So you do need to draw the box and put a 4x plus 3 on the top and on the side. And that gives me 16x squared plus 12x, and 9. And the middle two go together, which gives a total of 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. Okay. What about x minus 6 times x plus 6? What's going to happen here? Well, we put x minus 6 on one side and x plus 6 on another, and we get x squared minus 6x, positive 6x, and negative 36. And what happens when we simplify that? Those disappear. They cancel each other. We get x squared minus 36. Okay. All right. And then what if I had how would I multiply those together? Yeah, the box we're going to draw will be a rectangle instead of a square. Should it be 3 by 2 or 2 by 3? It actually doesn't matter. You're going to get the same answer either way. So 4x minus 3, x squared minus 3x plus 2. And like I said, one of the really nice things about drawing this box is you're not going to skip any multiplication. When you have a complicated set of polynomials multiplied by each other, it's really easy to skip or omit one of the terms. But in this case, you're not going to skip anything, because if a box isn't empty, you're not finished. So 4x times x squared is 4x to the third. 4x times negative 3x is negative 12x squared. 4x times 2 is 8x. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative 3x would be 9x. And then negative 3 times 2 would be negative 6. And you'll notice that the diagonals go together. So the first box is just 4x to the third. And then this first diagonal contains only x squares. which would be negative 15x squared. And then those are going to go together, 17x, and then minus 6. So when you solve these, use the box, because in the next lesson, we need the box in order to solve. Okay? All right, get to work.